Om Bol Swaha. Coming back. Yes.
First of all, thank you for providing the opportunity for me to welcome you all, and I would like to welcome each and everyone for this blissful event. Suswagatam. Before welcoming, I want to stress and explain the whole motive of the event. So, the term Aradhana or the Punya Dina, so is a religious ceremony to remember and honor saintly persons. It's because of their work we are able to learn and enjoy Carnatic music. So, about Sri Purandara Dasaru. So as everybody know, he lived around 15th century. He is called as Sangeeta Pitamaha. He was the one who systematized Carnatic music, learning process using the Sarade, Jentivarase, Geetes, Kritis. His compositions were in Kannada and Sanskrit. ಚೇತನಕ್ಕೆ ಶರಣೆನ್ನುವೆ ನಾರದ ಪುರಂದರ ನುಡಿ ದೇವಿಗೆ ನಮಿಸುವೆ ನಾದ ಬಿಂದು ಕಲಾಗೀದ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮಿಸುವೆ ಸಕಲ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಕಾರಣಗೆ ಸಾಷ್ಟಾಂಗವಲ್ಲದೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ತಂದ ಶಕ್ತಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ವಂದನೆ ಅಭಿನವ